Hi, my name's Ali and I'm an Access Officer here at Birkbeck. And this is a short video about how you can get the most out of your online lectures. Watching an online lecture is like watching any other video online. The only difference is that the video might have slides with information on, and you'll probably be taking notes for your personal study and revision. So, how to get the most out of these online lectures? So the first thing you'll need to do is to make sure you are able to connect to the lectures. So you should be able to watch them on your smartphone, laptop, tablet or computer. If you want to set up your technology in a way that best suits you, try taking a look at AbilityNet, My Computer My Way, which you can get to via the link in the comments section below. Now before your lecture, it's also important to check and understand what software you need to watch it. Make sure you know what format it is on. This is likely to be either Blackboard Collaborate or Microsoft Teams, but you'll need to check this before the lecture. Then also check your web browser. Most things work best on either Firefox or Chrome, or for the best performance, try to download the relevant app or software using your student Office 365 account. And then finally, check that the sound quality is clear enough. If you can't find somewhere quiet to sit for your lecture, or want better sound quality, try using headphones, or try turning on the subtitles and looking at the slides, as this can sometimes help as well. So before you attend your online lecture, as well as the technology you will be using, you should also think about what academic preparations you need to make for each lecture. Ask what do you already know about the lecture to prepare your mind for what you'll be learning. Are there any lecture slides you can download to take a look at beforehand or write notes on? And at the beginning of the lecture, does the lecturer tell you what the lecture will be about? Most of all, try and treat your online lectures just how you would if you were attending on campus, making sure to do the set readings or any other preparations that you're told to do. And also, just like campus-based lectures, taking notes is still crucial when attending online lectures. If you prefer, still use a pen and paper to make notes. And when making them, look for the usual things that interest you, information you can use in your assessments and exams, things you agree or disagree with, things you're not clear on or have questions about, or anything that you want to know more about. And if you wish, you can simply watch the lecture once live and take notes as you go, or you can watch twice, stopping the recorded video to make more detailed notes if needed. This will take longer, but you will take in more information and understand the lecture content more deeply. And a couple of final tips for online lectures. Make sure to check out the study skills resources and workshops available on Moodle, the links to which are posted in the comments below. And most of all, remember that this is a new way of learning for many of you. So do give yourself time to develop these skills and find out what works for you. And do contact your personal tutor or learning and development tutors if you have any ongoing concerns. Thanks for watching, and do get in touch if you have any questions about this video or anything else about your new course at Birkbeck.